Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIES Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Mornington. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 8 on the topic Unit-6, Lesson-5. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit-6, Lesson-5. Students, this is lecture number 5 and homework number is also 5. Dear students, please take your textbook. I am going to read from your text. So let's start. Today's topic is Unit 6, Lesson 5 and the title is Announcements on Board. Look at the picture and talk about it. So what can you see? Some people are inside the plane. Now we will read the text. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight BG88 to Bangkok. We are currently third in the line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt and secure all baggage under your seat in or in the overhead compartments. Keep your seats and table trays in upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking in the lavatory is prohibited. Thank you for choosing Bangladesh Biman. Enjoy your flight. So here we come to know about the announcement of Bangladesh Biman Airlines. We know it is a non-smoking flight. So when it is time of takeoff, the authority declares or announces some rules and regulations for the betterment of the people or of the passengers of the flight. Students, now come to next page. We'll read from part C. Good afternoon passengers, this is your Captain Rashid Akbar speaking. First, I would like to welcome everyone on flight BG88. We are currently cruising altitude of 10,058.40 feet at airspeed of 643.7376 km per hour. The time is 1:25 p.m. The weather looks good and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting to land in Bangkok approximately 15 minutes ahead of schedule. The weather in Bangkok is clear and sunny. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius for this afternoon. If the weather is good, we should get a great view of the city as we descend. The cabin crew will be coming around in about 20 minutes time to offer you a light snack and drinks. The in-flight movie will begin shortly after that. I'll talk to you again before we reach our destination. Until then, sit back and enjoy the flight. So it was another announcement. Now come to part C. Look at these questions. Read the questions carefully. Now read the following announcement on board flight BG88 and answer the questions in short. Students, we have read the text. Now we will read this question. Number 1, who is speaking? Number 2 is the airspeed of the plane per hour. Number 3, where's the time mentioned in the announcement? Number 4, how is the weather? Number 5, where's the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? Number 6, who will serve snacks and drinks? Students, you have to read the passage again, then you will be able to answer these 6 questions. And these 6 questions will be your homework. I'm repeating, these 6 questions will be your homework. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. The lecture number is 5, while the homework number is also 5. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.